Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike Reynolds over here at WeBe Autos. I'm standing here with Willie from allcorvettes.net. Got a fantastic 1972 LT1. Very, very rare car, Targa Blue. How you doing today, Willie?
Great, how you doing, sir?
Great, so what do we got?
Got a 1972 LT1. This is a very rare car. Comes factory with AC. There's one of 286 of them made.
Wow.
It's got original engine, original trans and rear.
Okay.
You can get in this car and drive it across country without a doubt.
Beautiful, and some great options too.
It does. This car is loaded up. Have the original tank sticker, protective plate. It's a 3-owner car.
Wow.
That is correct, 3 owner.
3 owners and very well documented.
Very well documented. The miles are correct on this car.
Okay.
Got nice blue exterior, correct color. It's called Targa Blue.
Beautiful.
Nice chrome. Side pipes.
Yeah, dealer installed side pipes, it looks like.
It does have a dealer installed luggage rack as well.
Okay.
There's a quick attach.
Yeah, it's got the quick releases on it. Pretty cool. I love the front California plate. So cool, man. This is gonna be worth some money, man.
This car is definitely
10 years down the line, it's a good piece.
Definitely a rare find, and I feel the next 10 years it'll hit 100 grand without a doubt.
I agree. So guys, if you're looking for an investment car, this is it.
And this car is clean, clean, clean.
It is squeaky, man. Let's pop the hood and check it out. It's very correct under here.
It is pretty correct. Pulleys are correct, alternator is correct, distributor is correct, heads are correct, smog's correct, AC is correct.
Wow. Amazing.
This is a very, very unmolested car.
Beautiful.
I am actually very lucky to have purchased this car. I feel it's, we were asking $52,500 on the car,
Yeah.
which is a very, very reasonable price.
It's an aggressive price. Beautiful. Hey Willie, could you fire it up?
Yes, sir.
Give it a little gas. Yeah, it sounds great with the side pipes. Notice you got rear defrost too, that's rare. Leather, power windows. Even the buzzer works. So cool. Original miles, got 40,515 miles on it. Push button radio. Deluxe interior. Beautiful. You got the original carb too, huh?
Yes.
Beautiful.
Strangle right here.
I don't know, they might be.
Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, it's Michael from WeBe Autos and Willie over at allcorvettes.net, Valley Auto. And we appreciate you joining us today.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Willie. Guys, if you have any questions, give us a buzz. We're at 631-339-0399. You can visit us online at webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.